All right, so I had no plans on making a video on this case this year. This is a Spigen Optik Armor. Now, I have a full review of this case down in the description below. I picked it up last year for the S24 Ultra. I absolutely loved it, so I ran it back again this year. But the reason I'm making this video is because I take pride in never dropping my phone. If you've seen any of my other videos, I'm always talking about I never drop my phone, or if you're known for dropping your phone, don't pick up this case, don't pick up that case. Today, I dropped my phone twice within a 12-second window. Now, I was coming back from lunch. I park on a busy street. So I waited for my window of opportunity, opened the door, completely forgot that my phone was on my lap. Opened the door, hopped out, phone fell out. Of course, now a car is coming down the street. So I reach for it, don't have a good grip, drop it again on the same corner. 2 drops within 12 seconds on the same corner. Now, the question is, did this case protect my phone? Now, the answer is yes and no. So I had the camera lens protector all the way over. If we pull it back, you can see no damage to the camera lens. That is a huge plus. We'll go ahead and flip it over. You can look on the screen. No scratch damage, no actual damage to the screen in any way. That's a huge plus, because the first time it hit the corner, it slid on the front. The second time, it hit the corner and slid on the back. So that's 2 drops. Now, when I got inside, I checked I was scared to even look, but once I looked and saw the front was okay, I was like, all right, bet. And then something told me to take the case off. So that's what I did. I went and took the case off, right? So taking the case off, before I even do that, you can see that the corner, it's not the most obvious. I don't even know if my camera would be able to pick it up. But if it does, if you can see it, you can see the case is a little cracked right there. So once I saw that, I was like, oh man, let me check the device. So taking it off, you can see the back, no damage. The sides, no damage, except for, if my camera will pick this up, there is a little ding in the corner. Now, let me know, how do you feel about that? 2 drops in less than 12 seconds. Somehow the chances came out to the same corner. And while the phone is not damaged or broken or anything like that, let me just clean off the device real quick just so you can see the front of the display. No damage, not a scratch on it. There is a little tiny ding, like if I rub my finger against it, my finger catches against it. So not that bad at all. I can definitely say that the case protected my phone, but did want to see what you felt about that. Do you count that as a win? Because it could have been way worse. Now, the corners are supposed to have like the airbag technology. So yes, it did. I say 99.3% protect my phone. What do you think? Did it do its job? So no real complaints. Once again, like I said, this isn't a full review. Quick tour though. Mic cutouts at the top. Nothing on the left side. All the cutouts, of course, no issues. Boom, put it in. Speaker cutout, Type-C, mic cutout. Nothing on the right side. You have your power button, your volume button. The buttons are tactile. The grip is on the back, all that good stuff. Camera lens, not doing a full review. Like I said, it's the exact same case from the S24 Ultra. Just wanted some input. If you dropped your phone, same situation, would you be satisfied with that? Or would you be upset? I was just curious at what y'all would think. But yeah, this is like $20 on Amazon. I think it's $19.99. It's a TPU case. Fits perfectly. I will say that the case does rock a little bit, but not the biggest issue. There's no MagSafe with this one, but of course, throw it on the charger. I'm not even sure if I have this. There it goes, wireless charge. Boom, charging up without an issue. Yeah, full review down below, or you can count this as a full review. I think I pretty much talked about everything that the case offers. Let me know what you think about the case results. It's V Does Tech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.